But firstly, I have my apron. It's so cute. It's like a dress. So I'll just put the thing on. And this is how it looks like. And yeah, shall we begin? So these are my ingredients. Firstly, I have this white fish. This is a monkfish that I already sliced in between to for it to cook well and absorb the flavor well. And I also have this. I've got some brown sugar, oil, and some cooking wine, some spring onions and ginger, and some other sauces that we have. We have some soy sauce here, the light and the dark, some black pepper, and our sesame oil. So firstly, we need a dish for steaming. And then from our oil, we need to get some 2 tablespoons and spread it on our dish. There you go. You just have to spread it evenly. Then get a bit of the spring onions and just leave it in there. And our fish, just lay it down like that. To put our first batch of ginger. So I have this remaining one for garnish, and I have this one for cooking. So you just have to spread it onto the fish, and we're ready. We are ready to steam this one. So I have this water boiling, and I have this steaming rack. So just put the fish in it and steam it for 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna cover it, and let's start making our sauce. Add our soy sauce. Stir it. Add on our sugar. Sesame oil. And black pepper. And just stir it. So with our ginger and some spring onions, we can mix it to our sauce. And just mix it together and turn off our heat. So let it simmer for a few seconds. Those gingers are we just have to remove the gingers and get the fish out. This is our fish now. Thank you for watching. I'm just going to show you how it looks like. There you go. Looks really good. Here you go. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.